Hi guys! I'm here at Cafe Nino and for today, part-time barista ako, kasi wala daw titimpla, edi ako. Ganun. Sir Ronnie, if you're watching, sorry. Nakiaram sa gamit. Tatawa pa ako, promise. So don't worry, hindi ko sisirain ang gamit. So we're gonna weigh some. I'm using Cafe Nino blend coffee. So good. Kasi yun yung standard ko sa coffee shop. Ay, kulang na isa. Kulang ng isa, Jai. Okay. Sakto na. So, next is we're gonna grind the beans. Pares kami ng coffee grinder ni Sir Ronnie. Look. Look here. See, pares tayo ng coffee grinder. I also use that kind one. That ever. English pa more. So yeah, we're gonna grind this. Shit, taba ko shit. Linga, operado na ko. Okay, once done grinding, we're gonna get the, what do you call this? Is this the ito ba yung ginagamit dito? Okay, so this is, I'm gonna use this. And then, sorry. Hoy, huwag ka magsayang, Dai. Okay. I don't know how to use this, so I'm gonna use this stamp instead because ito yung ginagamit ko din. Okay. So it's done, guys. Look, it's so perfectly stamped. Okay. And then I think this is the one they use for the espresso shot. I'm gonna pull a shot na. Look. Oh guys, it's so perfect. Look. Ganda. Ganda, no? Nakikita ba yung pag-pull ng shot? So I'm gonna use ml. Although it's not too concentrated na, that's okay for me. So we're gonna stop at done. Little more, done. Okay. So I think I want some. What do I want ba? What flavors do they offer? Let's see. Wait, I'm gonna see what flavors they have. So they have, this is the menu. Americano, cappuccino, latte, Spanish latte, caramel macchiato, salted caramel, hazelnut latte, Afro blend. What's Afro blend? Matcha. And then, yeah, I'm gonna choose, I think, the all-time favorite, my all-time favorite salted caramel. Kung may, ba dito, syrup, meron ba? Ang nakikita ko dito is hazelnut, vanilla, caramel, peppermint, chocolate, orange, what else? Hazelnut again. So, parang wala na siyang salted caramel syrup, guys. So, I'm gonna opt for... Ay, ito, meron pa kaunti, oh. May kaunti pa. Gamitin ko na to. I think this is really for me, right? May tira siya kasi para lang daw sa akin. Charot! Sige, I'm gonna make salted caramel latte. Marunong talaga ako na, hindi ka naman naniniwala sa akin. Yes! I-send ko kay Sir Ronnie ang ano. So, I'm gonna make some salted caramel. We're gonna use just 2 pumps of salted caramel. So, 1, 2. Kaunti lang kasi hindi naman ako mahilig na masyado sa sweet. So, I'm gonna make this and then ay pa ang yellow. Tiny po, 9. So, yan. What's next? I need the milk. I'm gonna use just, I think, 100 grams of milk. So, ang gamit nilang milk, guys, is Arla. Apakasyala, Arla. Mahal to, mahal to. Sana all mahal. Charan! So, yan, gamitin ko yung Arla, guys. 100 grams. Oh, sobra na. 120. I used 150 grams, guys, of milk. And then, next is, I'm gonna have some ice. Sa ice, guys, ay kunin ko lang. Kunin ko lang siya. Grams ng yellow, guys. And then, look! This is where the magic happens. Wait lang. Ito na! Ipupur ko na ang aking espresso. Pour ko na ang aking shot, guys. Look. Hey! Charan! And that's it, guys! Wait, takpan ko. Para feel na feel, diba? Kunwari, iba yung gumawa, pero ako lang naman talaga. Ako lang to! So, there you have it, guys. My very own salted caramel macchiato. Thank you, Sir Ronnie. Kahit wala ka dito, I feel your presence guiding me in making this coffee. And thank you din kay nanay kasi pumayag siya, nagmawa ako dito ng sarili kong coffee. Nakalagay ka dito doon sa car wash. Libre daw yung coffee kapag nagpa-full package. May complete package yung kinuha ko. So, I have my free coffee, diba? Thank you! Miss you!